Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. E to the power of ln A equals to capital 8. So capital 8, that is about this one. Now we need to transform this one into this one. Next, we can put the limit goal here. So we can concentrate this one on it. Next, we have the second formula. ln A to the power of B equals to B ln 8. So this one we have n ln of 1 minus 1 over n. So about n we can put like this. So when n goes to positive infinity, this one we have 1 divided by positive infinity, you got 0. This one you got 0. ln number 1 you got 0. So we have 0 over 0. So we can use about L'Hospital. So we can do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So this one we have 1 over n squared over 1 minus 1 over n. This one we have negative 1 over n squared. Now we need to simplify 1 over n squared on numerator and denominator. So we put the negative sign on here. So when n approaches to positive infinity, this one you got 0. And we have negative number 1. So we need to go back in here. So this one in here, you got negative number 1. So we have e to the power of negative number 1. And we have 1 over e. This is the end. Thank you for watching.